Welcome back to Auto Speed Vibes, the ultimate destination where speed meets style. If you're passionate about performance and design, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because today, we're diving into a machine that's making serious noise in the auto world, the 2025 Ford Falcon. The Ford Falcon, once a legend in the Australian car scene, is making a futuristic return in 2025, and this time, it's not just a car, it's a statement. Reinvented for the modern age, the 2025 Falcon blends nostalgic muscle with today's most advanced technologies. It's no longer just about raw horsepower, it's about smart driving, aerodynamic efficiency, and luxurious performance wrapped into one aggressive silhouette. Now let's talk about that design. The 2025 Falcon is bold, aggressive, and unapologetically modern. From its chiseled front fascia with a reimagined Falcon grille to its full-width LED headlights that give it a piercing stare, this car demands attention even when it's standing still. The body flows smoothly with sculpted curves, aggressive side intakes, and a fastback roofline that screams speed. It sits on massive 20-inch black alloy wheels that perfectly complement its lowered stance, giving it a strong road presence. Around the back, a sleek rear light bar connects the taillights, while a functional rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips complete its athletic look. Ford has clearly designed this car not just to be fast, but to look fast too. Under the hood, the 2025 Falcon doesn't disappoint. You've got multiple trims to choose from, but the star of the show is the performance variant, a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine pushing out around 450 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, this machine offers breathtaking acceleration and razor-sharp handling. Whether you're on the highway or carving through winding roads, the new Falcon delivers a driving experience that's both thrilling and controlled. It also includes adaptive suspension, launch control, and selectable drive modes that let you customize your drive based on your mood and the road ahead. Inside, the cabin is a blend of sport and luxury. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, digital cockpit, and a massive 13-inch touchscreen running Ford's SANC 5 system put everything you need at your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system come standard in the upper trims. You'll also get advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for added safety. As for pricing, Ford has been strategic. The base model is expected to start around $45,000, while the performance trims could climb up to $65,000 depending on options. It's a strong value for a car that delivers luxury, power, and modern tech in a single package. So what makes the 2025 Ford Falcon a true selling point in this competitive market? It's the perfect fusion of nostalgia and next-gen innovation. It carries the soul of a muscle car with the brains of a modern-day performance sedan. Whether you're a longtime Falcon fan or someone looking for a high-performance daily driver that stands out from the crowd, the 2025 Falcon offers something truly unique. That's all for today's deep dive on the 2025 Ford Falcon. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews on the hottest rides of 2025, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to Auto Speed Vibes for weekly content that keeps your inner gearhead fueled. Until next time, keep your engines running and your vibes high.